Clever Fox Budget Book 2nd Edition is a practical and easy-to-use tool for managing your personal finances, all in one book. It comes in a compact format and measures 5.3 inches by 7.7 inches, so you can take it with you anywhere you go. The cover is made of our soft-touch vegan leather, a durable protective layer for the thick, no-bleed 120 GSM paper pages inside. It features a colorful ribbon bookmark, a back pocket, a pen loop, and an elastic closure. Inside, you will also find 2 sheets of bonus stickers and an illustrated user manual with step-by-step instructions. There are 12 monthly sections in this budget book, lasting a whole year. Each month features a different color scheme for easy navigation. The pages are undated, meaning you can start using it anytime and take a break without wasting pages. Begin every month by filling out a monthly plan, where you can set your financial goals for the month and record upcoming expenses, bills, income, and savings. Then, create a detailed monthly budget in 8 predefined spending categories. You can later compare the amounts budgeted to your actual spending, see how well you did, and adjust next month's budget. There's also a monthly calendar to mark tasks, deadlines, and important dates. Throughout the month, record your day-to-day expenses using dedicated expense tracking pages. Each monthly section also includes 2 empty dot grid pages that you can use for notes or to customize any other way. At the back of the book, you will find plenty of extra tools to stay on top of your finances all year round. There are 8 savings and 8 debt trackers, a regular bill tracker, and a yearly summary. Here, you can record your total income, savings, and expenses by month to compare and analyze your performance throughout the year. Finally, there is a holiday budget spread to plan out your holiday-related spending and gift budget. We hope this budget book will help you transform your approach to money management, making it easy, efficient, and stress-free. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized. Stay clever.